In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Roblox on the PlayStation 5. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Roblox, and then you'll be greeted by a screen that looks like this, and please go ahead and press on sign in. Now, you guys have multiple different options. You guys can go ahead and sign in with your username and then just enter your password here, or what you guys can do is you can go ahead and scan this QR code right over here. It really is up to you. I personally recommend scanning the QR code because it is actually going to make the process go significantly easier. But guys, if you're in a situation where you forgot your password, do not worry guys, you could easily go ahead and reset it by pressing over here where it does say forget password or username. So please go ahead and select that so that you're able to recover your Roblox account. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be scanning this QR code. So all you want to do is you want to take out your mobile device and you want to put it near your TV or whatever you actually are using. And then you just want to go ahead and scan it just like so. And then it is going to give you a page that looks like this if you are already signed into Roblox on your mobile device. So if you sign in on your mobile device, it is actually going to make the process significantly easier, but it is going to give you this confirmation screen. So please go ahead and press on confirm login, then go ahead and press on done. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and wait a couple seconds, and then as you're able to tell, we should now be logged in into our PlayStation 5. So from here, you guys can go ahead and play and do everything you normally would, except on a PlayStation 5. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.